Good morning, everybody. So we have special live streaming for today before the 4th of July. We have celebration for the market before the market close early today. That's why we have Tesla jumping and the EV sector jumping really nicely. We already discussed it in our Discord and Patreon in pre-market. And we discussed Tesla because Tesla pre-market hit our profit taking around the 279, which is our resistance now. We're already almost 6% in the pre-market. So yeah, Tesla looking pretty nice. Look at this jump. We had the huge gap in the pre-market. So we have to watch out for Tesla and many EV stocks. And yeah, we have to watch Nikola because it's doing all right as we discussed it yesterday. We said holding over the $1.34 would be good. Today in the pre-market we have the $1.45. So this is a pre-signaling before the market open. So when the market open, we need to have a huge kick toward the $1.56. And hopefully we see the $1.78 by today. For Nikola, would be a great day for Nikola to have almost 30% before the market close today. So we need to have huge action when the market open for Nikola. Now it's jumping almost 4%. So yeah, we have to have the $1.56. Would be good if we test this level before the market open around this level in order to have the other kick and the other fuel to use to go toward the $1.78. So Nikola looking good in pre-market because it's still holding the support. I'm watching Nikola, I'm watching mini stocks follow up from last week, I think. Yeah, last week. We got this stock might be a unicorn. It's called BAC. The other one, PLM, top gainer, almost 140. MCOM is 24%. So we might have celebration for the 4th of July early for today, as we said in the pre-market for our market today. Because last week on Friday and Thursday, we don't have any unicorn. For the newcomer here, unicorn is mean stock that's jumping over 200% or 300% and continue to hold a new support after the market open. So we have to watch out MCOM, PLM, and BAC. Those three have a potential to be a unicorn for today. Nikola, we're still watching Nikola. Let me just put those stocks here to hunt. We got MCOM. Put it here. We got PLM. And finally, BAC. How everybody doing? Hopefully you enjoy the weekend and ready to celebrate tomorrow if you live in the United States. We have the same of 4th of July, but is around the 18th of July, I think. We have holiday here in France. So it's not the 4th of July, but I think it's 16th of July, yes. 16th of July, we got the same fireworks everywhere. Anyway, how everybody doing? Yeah, MCOM looking interesting now. PLM is about to do something here, but is accumulating. Yeah, I'm watching this play for the market open. We might have action. I will give it some time. We'll give it some time because we have some kind of resistance around the $2. BAC looking good for a bounce from this bottom around the $1.55 or 0.15 cent. Yeah, we might have some good action here for this stock when the market open. Yeah, 17 maybe would be resistant. Let me just check how much we willing to be risking here. Not that much, 3%. And let me just check how much we could open for back. Not much. Just 1,000 shares, almost. Just 100 euros. So we'll not trade back, even though it looked good. Let me just check PALM, how much we can buy. Yeah, not bad, but still small position to open. The other one, MCOM, let me just check how much we can open for this one. Yeah, both of them just 500. Okay, we can play with small share because both of them are really risky. Anyway, the other stock that we have to watch, let me just check Microvision. Microvision doing all right. 4% in pre-market. Lucid. Yeah, we might have a breakout for Lucid around the $7.11. I'm still holding this trade from last week. Yeah, we are already 2%. On Friday we entered before the market close actually, or yeah, before the market close around the $6.89. Now pre-market is 2% up. We'll see if we're gonna have a break from the $7.11. Otherwise, I'm gonna close my trade here just in case. We don't want to go below the $6.78. Profit taken for today might be good to take profit around $8.20 if we really had a great day. Yeah, 16% for Lucid. We expect something for Lucid because the EV market is looking good. And as everybody knows, Lucid is on the EV market. Look at this, looking really interesting. Lucid looking good. We got KMX. I will watch still for this one to pump. Anyway, Ford is still pumping, CCL is still pumping. Abe, not that good. Okay, Nikola started to pump in a pre-market. Come on, we need to have $1.45 hold. We tested the $1.45 in pre-market here. Price went down, but still holding the support. We need a kick. We need at least another 8% to give us a signaling for some action for today. Top is about to break from this flag. Yeah, top looking good. Looking really juicy here for top. We might have a great action. I'm just checking here because if we broke this flag around the $8.50, we're gonna have a flush. So I will watch top play. I will watch plug because looking good. FRCB, some of you said we're gonna have the 80 cents. Doesn't look good from the chart. We have a weakness. Huge short opened here around 94. As we discussed before, for FRCB, we suggest our hunters to take profit. For FRCB back here around 26th, yeah, 26th of June. We already discussed the 89 profit taken, so that's why we suggest to take profit. And that's why the price got shorted now since 29th of June until now, July, 50% down. So this is for you example, a good example for you for FRCB trade. Always take profit and exit quickly. Dana, good morning. Happy Monday. Dana, we already discussed RIVN in our pre-market video. I don't know if you saw, because we already did the video on our YouTube membership channel, and as well we did it here on our Patreon and Discord. Here we did the pre-market today, and we discussed RIVN. Yeah, RIVN hit our profit taking the 1772, and we already discussed RIVN trade here back in the 29th of June when we discuss this play after our live streaming, because we always do chart analysis update, guys. And we said the breakout zone is the $16, profit taking 1772. Guess what? We hit the profit taken after a few days. It was a great swing trade for our hunter. We have this breakout, we entered, we hunted, and we took profit. Let me just check how much we took on this trade. We took 10%. So our IVN is still continuing to go higher for the second profit taking around the 2160. So our IVN, good swing trade for our hunter. We already discussed it before, guys. It was a good trade. Let me just go back and check the stocks that we have to watch for today. PLM still hold the support. MCOM is about to break the support. Okay, I think it would be tight today. We might not have a unicorn after all. Yeah, because that's the one is about to break the support. I will not enter. If we broke, I will not enter. I will let it be. Maybe I will enter for this one. Good morning, LF Williams. Nice trade, 5x leverage. Nice, 50% up. Yeah, it was clear. It was clear trade for us. Good hunt. Yeah, Roberto, Nicola want to run today. Watch out. Nicola want to run. We already entered for this trade here back last week with average prices of $1.26. We're already 9% on this trade, and now pre-market almost 4%. So we'll watch for a continuation, because Nicola is about to have a new high around the $1.46 before the market open. We have just 15 minutes left. 15 minutes left for the opening bell. Exactly. Hit the like button on the way in. No, everybody remember, show some love. Show some love for our hunter community. We are here to help all the trader up. This is why we do our live streaming. Really important to have this mentality to trade, take profit, cut your loss early, don't average on the way down. There's a little stuff you can do to minimize your risk and maximize your gain. One of them is to add to your winner position and know where you do train stop, so you don't stop your taking profit pretty early. That's why a lot of traders never maximize their gain, because they take profit pretty early. Yeah, I know it's kind of paradoxical. You have to feel it and know when you should take profit and when you have to make the profit actually go higher. Because one stock can actually give you all the gain for 1 year, just one stock. And one stock can wipe everything. So just be careful. Okay, we have to watch our stock screener for today. Of course, PLM or Polymet Mining Collaboration. Wow, 10 million, almost 10 million of volume. After that, we got SQZ. No, thank you. Back MCOM. Let me just check MCOM once again. If we broke the support, no, still holding. RMED, I think we hunted this before, jumping 20%, but again, not good chart. Anyway, we don't have a lot of stocks to watch, just few of them. It's good and bad, you know. It's good to have laser focus on few, but it's bad if we have no stock jump after the market open and those two die when the market open. This would be bad, yeah. So if we got few stocks to watch on the market open, we have less chance that one of them would jump, of course. But if one of them jump, it would be even better because we have laser focus on few stocks. And this one have a weakness before the market open. So we could actually short this one. Yeah, short one. This one we have 2%, which is the breakout. If we never break the $2, mean a flush down. So this one might be a short position if we don't break the 2, because we have first signal for weakness right now, breaking this pattern. MCOM the same. We might short this stock if we broke the 13, but now still holding the 13. We'll see if we gonna have a reversal on the market open. John Friedman, he overslept. Remember, don't oversleep next time. You're gonna miss everything. Here in Europe, I can never oversleep because the market open like here around 3 p.m. 30 or 3:30 p.m. So I could sleep all day and I will never miss the market open. We got 10 minutes on the market open. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Okay, for the swing trade, let's see Tesla. Tesla getting having a bit of pullback. Remember, guys, last time we discussed Tesla, we said it's a really good swing trade, and we suggested to actually swing trade it on Momo. As we said before, we have a nice reversal here over the 233, and we said the best way to trade Tesla is on Momo. And the reason why, because you can actually win almost 16 free stocks. Let me just check here. I think, yes, this one. Yeah, you can actually win 16 free stocks, or 16. And we suggest to actually buy Momo and Tesla and Momo, because you can actually win those stocks. You have Tesla, you have many stocks, and one of them Tesla, of course. So if you won free share of Tesla, you can actually have a good start in a trade, and you'll be up 120 or now 260, because this is the price share of Tesla, and you can swing trade it. So it was a really good swing trade, because I asked our hunters to buy Tesla and Momo. You get 260 plus this swing trade, so you'll be first up 260 if you won one stock of Tesla, of course, because you can win 16. Not all of them Tesla, of course, because you might get Amazon or whatever. So if you bought 1,000, you already up 160 plus 260, so almost 400. However, you have to deposit just $100 in order to get at least 5 free stocks. The link is in comment section if you want to actually sign up with Momo. And this is one of the good strategy, actually, win-win situation. And the money that you put in Momo, you can actually invest it right away on Tesla. So it's good. Mark, yes, moo, yeah, like the cow. But you know what? Like Richard Feynman said, is not important how you spell the thing, but the most important thing to know what the thing is. So if you know how Mumu or Momo works and how you trade, you don't care about the name, because you don't get anything, you know, if you spell anything right. And language is thing made up by human, so there's no rules. If I say Mumu or Momo, this is the same, you know, it doesn't care, it doesn't matter. The most important thing, how you trade and how you use this platform. I like Richard Feynman because he got this kind of story about spelling things wrong and spelling things right, and he actually said you don't have to spell things right. The most important thing to know things, how it works, not the name of things, you know. It's like knowing the name of the birds, compare knowing how birds fly and the chemical things and physiology about the birds is better, way better than know the name of the bird. Anyway, we have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left on the opening bell. Watch out, everybody. Watch out. Let me just go on Nicola and see what's going on. Yes, Nicola want to do something. Really, we want to have a huge kick for Nicola when the market open. We have to. Okay, Avico Group, acquisition of the full control of Nikola. Okay, we have some kind of news with Nikola. We have many good news for Nikola, actually. We have regained compliance with the Nasdaq last Friday, and we got some It's like we have the CTB number right last Friday, I think, or Sunday. The CTB for Nikola right now, or not like right now, 2 days ago, it was almost 200%. 200%. And this CTB is mean cost to borrow. Cost to borrow. If you want to short, is mean if you want to short Nikola share, the cost to borrow share of Nikola is 200%. And this is make it more expensive for short seller to short Nikola. And as everybody knows, if it's really hard to borrow, we might have a squeeze, which is short cover, and the price will squeeze. So this is good. One of the good news that we see that Nikola is getting hot every day, and we got even price target for Nikola. I think it's 3 or 5. So yeah, we got some great news. And the technical is still looking good because we're still holding the $1.34. We bounce and we kind of have this reversal. So yeah, and last time we discussed Nikola, it was back then here, and we discussed Nikola price action. Actually, we said the entry. No, not the day trade. Actually, we said it here on the day trade back in the 27th of June when we hunted this bottom, the $1. Hopefully you hunted with us because it was really good entry for Nikola here around the $1, and confirmation was around the $1.15 when we broke this level of resistance. So we already hit the first profit taken. Now going to the second. Okay, $1.45. Nikola is about to squeeze before the market open. Nikola is about to squeeze before the market open. We already entered, as we said before, around the $1.26. So let's ride today Nikola and see Lucid as well. I'm still holding this trade because we're getting near resistance. We're gonna see MCOM if it holds support. We have many stocks to watch, guys. So let's get right to it. We have 2 minutes left. Let's bless the like button, guys. Let's show some love. Tomorrow is the 4th of July, so show some love and let's hit the 100 likes for today before the market open. Let's make something new for today. And remember, guys, don't follow me blindly. Day trading is risky, and do your due diligence when you trade with us. And remember that live streaming on YouTube is a bit delayed, almost 10 seconds. So pay attention. It's not like real life streaming, but there's a bit of delay. So I just want to warn you guys because this is really important. You know that time, even few seconds, is really important for entry and exit for many stocks. Other than that, just let the price come to you. Never run out of price. Don't be FOMO. And remember, there's always a chance and opportunity in the market. Let's get right to it. And we do always, every day, almost every day, our live streaming around 3 p.m. Tomorrow, we don't gonna do live streaming. We're never gonna do live streaming because there's a day off or a celebration day in America. And so happy 4th of July in advance for everybody in the United States. And see you, of course, not Tuesday, but Wednesday at the same time. So let's get right to it. The market is about to open. We're watching Nikola and some stocks on our watch list. We watch Nikola for a test for the profit taken when the market open around the $1.56, which is the first. Hopefully, we're going to go toward the $1.78. So let's go. The market is opened, I think. Yes. Let's see shorts squeeze around $1.45 for Nikola, 4%. Let me just check the other ones very quick. PLM might be good for the $2 break, and this one not good because it's breaking the support. Back it looked good, but yeah, it hit profit taking. You see around the 1750. So back is looking good, and BLM. Nikola, I'm still waiting to see a huge pump, but we don't have it yet. How everybody doing? Thank you, Amjad. Really appreciate it. Okay, we have a bit of struggle for Nikola. Apple. Wow, Apple is really crazy. Wow, Apple is really easy trade, guys. We have a breakout and going toward the 200. Apple, there's a huge whale bought Apple and it's still going really crazy. 4% in just Monday. Yeah, last Monday. It's really slow. Apple is really slow. PLM, we still don't have a breakout from the $2. And this one back, not good. MCOM, I'll take it from the list. Back, got shorted. AI, Mara, PLM, we might have a breakout right now. Nikola is bumping, guys. Nikola, finally. Nikola is bumping. Nikola is to the moon today, I think. $1.48. Short sellers covering. Nikola is pumping. Watch out. $1.48. Let's go to Nikola. Nikola. This is good. $1.48 for Nikola. We already entered around the $1.26. Let's have an early 4th of July celebration for Nikola. Nikola $1.49. We gonna hit the $1.56 profit taken. You know what? I'm gonna bullet here. $1.57 even. $1.50. Nikola going to the moon today. Would be a really great day if we went here. $1.78 would be a really great day and confirmation for Nikola squeeze. Let's see what's gonna happen for Nikola. Looking good to me so far. AAJ, how did you know it's gonna go up? Man, I've been trading all my life, so I can feel it. The technical supported, the fundamental supported, so. And we already discussed Nikola actually back here because we got some news back yesterday. Yeah, one of our hunters sent us this news for Nikola about huge 125 CTB. And we got the 77 million share common stocks actually going up. So we got some news actually going on for Nikola. So it's not unusual to have this breakout and pump. So yeah, Nikola, we need to have the $1.57. Still, man, I'm not convinced yet. This is not it. We need to have a test for the $1.57 right now. Because when the short cover, we need them to cover really fast, not slowly. Because if they cover slowly, they could have confidence to actually short again. But the idea is we need to have a kind of panic. The panic buying, this is even better. It's like panic selling. It's kind of, you can't think, you just sell, or buy. In this situation, we need buy. But still, we don't have this reaction yet. We need another volume to go toward the $1.57 to confirm this continuation pump. $1.57. $1.57. Let me just go closer and see what's going on. Martin Obolo, he said Nikola is the unicorn hiding in the forest. Great one, yes. Yes, Nikola is the unicorn actually, hiding in the forest. Good one from Martin Obolo that always hunts unicorn with us. I like your spirit, I like your energy, brother. Energy is contagious. Boom. I always say this, energy is the most important thing. If you have a good energy and vibe, you can have everything in life. If you always predict that something's gonna happen bad, guess what? The bad thing will happen. PRFX. I don't know who watching this. PRFX. PFRX. Let me PRFX. Let me just check this one very quick, then I come back to Nicola. 25, no, thank you. PLM, yeah, PLM, maybe I will trade this one if we broke the $2, but not now. Back is still holding the support. I was watching this one to trade on this breakout here, but I saw that I could open just a few shares of that, so just 100 euros is mean nothing. So that's why I stopped trading this one. I didn't want to watch it. That's why the reason I don't take this trade. Anyway, PLM maybe would be good trade for today. FRCB getting shorted big time. INQ maybe, nope. Okay, so I will bring PLM first up here to trade. Okay, Nicola, good reaction. Nicola is still not over. We need to hit the $1.57, guys. $1.57 at least for the first half an hour. Then the second one, we're gonna have the $1.78 for today at least. This would be a great day for Nicola, at least $1.78. This is realistic price action, okay? Realistic. I'm talking realistically. Realistically, $1.78 for today. If we have a great day, we might have the $2. If we have real squeeze for Nicola, which we already did before, if you remember, we already did almost 50%, so this is not normal. This is normal for Nicola. Here, we did 50%. So we might have another 50% here for today, or another 40%. So now, I still have a bit of struggle to continue, but it's good reaction for the market when we open around the $1.50. Okay, I think there's a huge seller around the $1.50. That's why we didn't break it yet. It's a round number, I know. Around the $1.50 would be good if we tested right now. You know what I want to see for Nicola? A jump of 5 cents or 10 cents, you know? So we need a kick from the $1.50 until the $1.57 in 1 second. Okay? Here, 5% jump. This will confirm that a huge seller covered. Not 1 cent, not 2 cents, and need 5 cent pump. This will give us a really clear indication that someone just cover their position and run. And this is good. This is make panic buying. So we need a big jump of 5 cents, not 1 cent. Because now we just got 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. You see? 49, go 50, go back, 51, back 50, go up. Yeah, it's good, but it's not the reaction that I'm expecting. Whoa, we got someone said Raven is pumping. Oh, brother, this is crazy. IV. I'm telling you guys, IV market is crazy. The strongest one is RIVN. I'm telling you guys, this is the best trade actually from the last week. From the swing trade play that we did last week, I think. Yeah, we did RIVN on 29th of June on Thursday. This is the best trade that we did last month. It's really good. From the 16 now is 18. So we hit the first profit taken and now going to the second profit taken. So yeah, RIVN, great trade guys for the people who actually spotted our chart analysis on last Thursday. Yes, it was great hunt. Come on, Nicola. Come on, we need the kick. Come on, Nicola. RIVN did almost 20% and you just 8%. This is disgrace. We need more. Okay, 50. Nicola 50. We saw the 50. Going up and down, man. Still. Let's see top. Top got shorted. Not good. We broke this triangle. You see what's happened here? Top, not good. Watch out. Stay clear. Stay clear. Lucid. We got Nicola. First rejection and kind of... Okay, Abe, we got AMC. AMC, finally we have some green for today. SOUN, maybe we're gonna have a test for the $5. Nicola have a huge fight. You see what's happened here? We tested the 5, $1.50. We got a bit short open here. So we have a confirmation right now about the $1.50. First level of resistance for today to break. $1.50. $1.50 is the level to break and have the short cover. For my opinion, if we cover the 50, we might have the 57 in just few seconds. Yeah, 5% easily. We need to break the $1.50 first to have this profit taken hit. Let me just check RIVN again. Whoa, 14% and still pumping. Tesla. What's going on, guys, with IV stocks? This is really madness. Tesla, rally continue after quarterly delivered beats. Yes, we have a huge quarter. Huge quarter. So we have a breakout for Tesla, 7% and still pumping. RIVN the same. The IV stocks, guys, is crazy. NEO is still lagging behind with 7%. XPEV is about to break the $15. Yes, let me just check now. We have to watch out for this resistance for XPEV if we're gonna have a squeeze like Tesla right now is broke. AMD is kind of breaking from a resistance. This is nice. We might have 4% for AMD here. Nvidia started to reverse, but yeah, AMD looking good actually. What's going on, man? What's going on for Nicola? We have the same reaction, slow pump, then slow action. Lucid, we have a breakout for Lucid, 5%. Yes, Lucid looking good, guys. Lucid already entered for Lucid from the last week and still jumping. Yeah, we have Lucid profit taken should be around the 8. Yeah, the 8 should be good. Exactly, the 8 should be good. Okay, Nicola getting hammered. We hit the $1.50. So the $1.50 is kind of a resistant actually. Yeah, we have a bit of resistance here. Okay, we'll give Nicola a bit of time to have a bit of pullback. We need to have a pullback around the $1.41, then pumping once again. This is always the case. We have the short cover, not cover, but add in position, and pull back, then continue to go higher. The best case scenario is pumping and never stop pumping. We have this around the $1.50. The price went down around the $1.50, so we have a huge resistance around the $1.50. Yes, $1.50, huge seller still there, man. From the last week, actually, from the last week, he started adding from the $1.44 until the $1.50. So we just make the short kind of panic a bit. That's why the adding now. We'll see if we hold over the $1.41 would be good. PLM, we might have a breakout for this one right now around the $2. Yeah, Lucid is still looking good. Yeah, EV stocks looking nice for today's swing. Many of them are really pumping in the sky. Except XPEV is having a bit of resistance around the 15. We might have a breakout because all the EV stocks are pumping. So we might have a continuation for them right now. Even semiconductors looking good. Tesla 8%. Okay, this is, as we said, not normal reaction from the EV stocks. It's been like a slow day for many EV stocks, but now I think something changed dramatically, fundamentally. And you see just from the technical, you see, usually we don't have 10% for NIO or Tesla or the other stocks. Usually just 2%. 3% up and down, consolidating sideways or up, but not like this reaction. But watch out, we might have a pullback for them, so I'm watching right now. Nikola, we already have a pullback. Now we have to make the short cover around the 50. So yeah, we have a resistance starting from the 50 until the 57. So this is the area of resistance and the first level of short covering. So we need to make the short cover here around this area. If we make them cover here, we're gonna have a squeeze directly toward the 178. So this area is really critical for today for Nikola to have a squeeze, guys. Really important. The technical is still looking good because we're still bouncing here, bouncing. The idea is now to have another retest. The second retest would be really critical to break, because if we broke the second time, game over for the short, at least for this first level. Will give us really good confirmation for today. Squeeze this area, you see it in the yellow circle. This is it. This is where the short have to cover. Whoa, Lucid, we still what's going on? Why? Yeah, let me just refresh. Yeah, we're already 7% on this trade. I will keep it open. We already opened this trade before the market close. An hour power hour, we discuss many trades. An hour power hour on Friday, we discussed Lucid, Nikola, mini stocks. So we entered here before the market closed. Now we almost 7%. We keep this trade because we see that the price will go at least around the $7.55, where we could actually take a bit of profit there. Yeah, short still adding here for Nikola, but this is normal. We're still 5% up, 10 million. We might have 50 million for today. So Nikola need patience. Look at this. Still holding this pattern. We need to break here around the $1.50, $1.57. If we have a breakout now, game on. Really, game on for Nikola. Mara is pumping. I think crypto is pumping. Yes. Bitcoin. Yeah. Bitcoin is pumping. Ethereum. Yeah, finally Ethereum is pumping. We got this meme stock or meme coin. PEP. PEPE. Yes, USD Tether. Jump 12% for today. Okay, now or never, we need to have a pump. We need to have a pump right now for Nikola toward the $1.57. Lucid pulling back. I think the other one is pulling back too. Yeah, Tesla, XPEV. RIVN is the strongest for my opinion because, as we discussed before, is undervalued. It just jumped from the bottom, $13, compared to the other one. Yeah, you have this one and you have NEO, both of them undervalued, near the bottom price. Okay, Nikola is about to pump once again, finally. Are we gonna have the $1.50 once again for Nikola? The main question. UCER or IDX. Whoa, IDX, we have a breakout. IDEX, man, IDEX is pumping from the bottom. Let me just check if we could open small trade here for IDEX. Let me just open small trade. Now is around the 8 cents. Let me see if we have a quick trade on this one. Okay, we are in. IDX, man, I was waiting for this breakout actually. Let me just lower the support around the 77 077. This is the 07. Yeah, this is the James Bond stock. Now we have some kind of move. We expect doing at least another 10% here. However, we have to watch out for the 77 as a support. Coin is jumping. Nikola still waiting for the $1.50. AHI is pumping as well. AHI 47%. Wow, we have a crazy day before the 4th of July. AHI as well is pumping, but it's really risky because we're still below the $6.62. We have a pullback for the IV stocks. Nikola still, man, I'm still waiting. We need to kick over the 150, man, right now. Let me just check what's we got here. Aha, we have a test here. PLM, we have a test around the 194. Are we gonna have a pump here? Are we gonna have a pump? Let me just add IDX and AHI to the stock might squeeze for today, and I put them on the unicorn list. AHI, patience, man, patience. Lucid, yes, Lucid, we might have a kick once again, but now let me just check where I should take profit. It's getting near actually. We have that level, $7.53. And that one, the 10 is a bit far. Maybe around the 9, yeah. The 9 should be good for IDX to exit. AHI, man, is pumping like crazy. We pumped already here, 15%. Now we might have a pullback because you see what's happened here. Huge selling pressure after the reverse split. Now we might have a huge test here for AHI. Another test, rejection, $2. IDX, another new high. A new high. Let's see if we're gonna have another kick here. 7%. We need 7% here. AHI nearing the level of resistance, $6.60. If we broke, we might have a squeeze of 60% or maybe less. Yeah, around the $8. What's going on with IHI or AHI? Yeah, it's about to break. Nikola, guys, we missing just 2 cents to have another squeeze. 2 cents. Come on. We need a whale to give us 2 cents. Just 2 cents for Nikola to have a pump and make the short cover starting from the $1.50, where we're gonna have a huge cover up. IDX started to pump. 84, we said we need the 9. We'll see if we have the 9. This one we might get rejected right now, as we said. Time to short, $6.60. Here where we have a huge short. Top, as we said, not good to enter here. It's really risky. Guys, press the like button on the way in. We have almost 150 people watching. Happy 4th of July in advance. Show some love. Let's have fireworks today here. Fireworks profits, I mean. IDX is pumping 0.085. Yeah, come on, we need another kick toward the 9 cents. Yes, Lucid looking good, IDX looking good. Okay, IDX, we need another kick, a bit of kick here to close the position. PLM not good until we break the 2. AHI, as we said, a test for the resistance, now selling pressure, time to short. Good short here, $6.60. Boom, price got shorted. Risky play. Okay, IDX. Yes, happy 4th of July. IDX is pumping. Boom. Let me just check how much we did here. Okay, nice. I will be ready to take profit. Watch out. Another kick. I'm gonna be ready to exit. Let's check the smaller picture if we have a weakness. Otherwise, I'll keep it. Okay. 86. Would be good if we saw the 9 cent. I will be ready. If we have a bit of weakness, I'm gonna exit. Let me just check how much we did here. Let me just take a small profit and check. I will be ready on the sell button to take my profit. If we have a bit of pullback, I'm gonna sell because I enter with a bit of a big position here. I will watch. Okay, I'm gonna close it here with small profit. Yeah. Okay, still holding. Come on, Nikola, man. What's going on with Nikola? Still, the $1.50 still struggle. Huge struggle for Nikola to have a breakout. Oh, man. PLM IDX is still pumping. Looking good. 9 cents should be a profit taken. AHI got shorted. This one not looking good here, man. Not looking good. What's going on? We went back once again. Man, Nicola's kind of long battle. Really long battle. We need a huge time to break. We need patience because, as we said, the huge seller there. We need patience. Patience, patience. There's a song about patience. Joe Friedman. Yeah, this is the best drug, man. This is the best drug. It's healthy drug, I think. If your heart not pumping, is mean the thing that you do is not good, or is you're not passionate about. You have to feel your heart, you know, bounding. You have to feel it. If you don't feel something, is mean is not good. You have to find another thing for you. AHI halted down. This is crazy. This is crazy. What's going on with the market? This is crazy, brother and sisters. Lucid is accumulating, getting near this profit peak in $7.53. What's gonna happen here? Microvision open. Ford, good swing trade still. AMC, money. AMC is pumping now. AMC pumping now, but still I'm not entering here. Nikola, I'm still waiting for the kick. I'm still waiting. Really, I'm still waiting for another kick toward the $1.50. I'm not convinced yet. This is not it. XPEV going down. Tesla, RIVN. Yeah, so we got RIVN is the strongest here. To be honest with you guys, the strongest stock here. The SPY, we have a green day for the SPY. However, Nikola, look at this. We have a huge wick here, green candle, and now we have accumulation, confirmation for accumulation. So yeah, the next test for the $1.50 would be it for Nikola. Otherwise, still accumulation. IDX looking good from the breakout zone, getting near the profit 9. AHI unhalted right now and going up once again. $6.62 is our resistance for IHI and squeeze, for my opinion. Man, AHI is really slow here. Really slow. I think we got some news coming up on the 20th of this month. So the squeeze is coming up, but slowly. As we said, when the market opened, we talked about this kick. We said it's good, but it's not perfect. The perfect kick, it should have been testing the $1.57 at least. Doing like at least 10% in a few minutes. Not like this, man. Not like this. IDX, Lucid and Nikola. Okay, let me just check the top volume gainer. We have Tesla, we have Neo, RIVN of course, Lucid, XPEV. Remember that the market will close early today. Here in Europe, I think around 7 p.m. And yeah, in America it's 1 instead of 4. So watch out. We might have a volatility tight, you know. The market will be volatile all day before the market closes for tomorrow. Again, if you didn't watch our pre-market live streaming, we said tomorrow is the 4th of July, so that's why the markets close. In America, not in Europe. We have our own celebration, which is around the 16th of July, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think the 16th or 18th. But yeah. So we don't have holiday here in Europe. Kick. We need a kick. We need a stock kick for Nikola. Chris, always the news dramatize things, okay? Don't believe what you see in the news. Here is like a Disney world. Everything's good, everything's fine, brother. They're dropping, but they're not dropping hard. For AMD and INTC, it's normal drop. As we said, the protest in France, as we said, the news is over dramatized things. Everything's good here. $59. Yes, this one. Many of you asking about this one, but I will never trade, man. I don't trust this one. I have trust issue with this stock. Yeah, might be good if we held here over the 28 cents. Maybe would be good, even though I don't trust it. It's just jump from the bottom, from the abyss. I don't trust it, man. Mara, yes, Mara looking good, hitting the profit taken around the 15. Right, the same 6% is getting near the 1283. Another profit taken that would be hit. SoFi found a bit of support. So yeah, we got some good trade here. Virgin Galactic testing our bottom support, which is around the $3.67. Nice, not bad. BBYQ reversing once again. This one I'm gonna take it. MEDS, take it from the list as well. BDTX, INQ, FRCB. This one's still holding. PXRX. We have a nice jump, but again, I'll keep it. Plug. We have a breakout for plug. Huge breakout, but we give it already 2%. So yeah, plug looking good. Top, not that good. I would put it really down here. AHI, still. IDX, nice. IDX going toward the 9. IDX going toward the 9. And this one, man, this one, I'm really speechless here. I'm really speechless about Nikola. I don't have anything to say. But just frustrating because we should have actually pumped, man. Should have went until the $1.57, but yeah, the test was around the $1.50 instead. But we're still holding though. We're still holding here. It's kind of testing of our patience. This is it. This trade is testing our patience because it's really frustrating, up and down, and we have a bit of kick when the market open. But we need some action, man. We need some action before the market close for this one, at least for today. IDX still pumping. Lucid, yeah, still pumping. I will be ready to take profit on Lucid. Yeah, when we hit the $7.53. Nicola, we waiting for another test for the 150. Here we just have accumulation, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Good man. Good mushroom trades. This is really good. Hopefully you have a nice trip, brother. It would be funny if you have bad trip, when you're trading. This is not wise, because if you're trading while on effect of mushrooms, you might have bad trip when you see a red candle, and the red candle will come to life and come from the screen, and you'll be panicking and sell everything. Wow, nice reaction from Nicola or Lucid. I think I have advice for you, Sunray. You have to have a account name mushrooms. When you trade on mushrooms, but you have just limited amount of money, just 1,000 to play with. Not all your portfolio. Okay, Lucid looking pretty nice. Let me just check the other swing. IVN. Okay, Tesla looking good. So we got two IV stocks. XPEV got shorted near the 15, and NEO near the 11. So both of those IV stocks is weak. However, Tesla and RIVN looking much stronger. Nicola is barcoding here, even though we have 13 million, because we got again huge seller, still adding, still resting. Yeah, we have a huge seller still adding some position on Nicola. The same reaction that we had on Friday. The good thing that we broke the $1.44, and today we have a new high. This is the good thing. And we have someone bought here around the $1.45, 44. Huge buy position. So that's why it's price still holding. Lucid jumping once again. Lucid is squeezing. Let me just check here. Yeah, Lucid is still jumping. The trade is still open for Lucid. As we said, the $7.53 should be the first profit for Lucid. IDX it's getting near the 9 cent. We spotted this one on our live streaming right now when we saw this breakout zone, so it was a good entry. We suggest to take profit here. We're getting near. AHI still below the $6.60. And Nicola is still accumulating, and we're still waiting for a kick for the $1.50. Nothing will happen, guys. Nothing will happen until we break the $1.50. Okay, this one might have something as well. We're already 145%, and we didn't have a flush when the market opened. You know what's happened here? Someone's still buying. This is really strong indication that this stock is still strong. Look at this. Huge bump, over 100%, and we're still holding. We're still holding. You know what I'm gonna do here? I will check PLM. I bought small position before this breakout, and see if we're gonna have a breakout, because it look still strong here. Okay, we'll open. Okay, I can open 700 shares. The best signal is breaking the $2, but I could open right now before this break. I will see. I will manage it manually, because if we didn't break the 2 and we broke here, I will close the trade on the 85. IDX, wow, IDX looking still strong, going toward the 9 cents. Man, I think Nikola is on mushroom as well, man. This kind of time is kind of stopped for Nikola. It's not halted, you see, it's not halted, but yeah, the time is relative here with for Nikola. Is acting like is on mushrooms. BTAI squeezing. Someone said BTBI is squeezing. Many of you actually. I will check it. 16%. Okay. However, the entry would be really risky, because here the 7 should be our support. We might have a good hunt for this one. Around the 9. Around this. Around that. 9, 11, 13. Okay, let me just check if we have an entry for this one higher. How much we could win and how much we could lose. 20% and 10%. Yeah, 2 to 1. Not bad, but I want more confirmation. Yeah, it looked good here. Let me just check this one. BTAI. We might have good trade here. Okay, I will open small position, but remember guys, this one is really risky, so if you're gonna lose, just make sure to watch for the $7.13, which is our support. Okay, this one kind of looking good. I will put it high here with IDX and the other stocks, because IDX going toward our profit. Nikola getting shorted, man, here. Not good, not good, not good. Not good, bad. This is really bad here. Not good here. I will check it if we still holding over the $1.34, otherwise I'll close it, because this is the first signal of weakness if we broke this ascending channel. Anyway, what else we have? Lucid is still looking nice. RIVN, Tesla 7%, XPEV going down, NEO going down. INTC still Not that bad, guys. Yeah, Tesla not bad here as well. But usually when Tesla do 7%, we might have a drop here. Yeah, Nikola started to drop. Lucid started to drop as well. We have a bit of pullback right now for the market, so we have to be extremely careful. $1.42. Okay, profit taking hit for IDX. For John, Luis, make sure to take profit because we already entered here. So make sure to take a bit of profit, at least 50%, because you said you all in on this trade. So yeah, the market's pulling back. First target is the 9, which is hitting right now. Second target is the 11, which is really important level to squeeze. I doubt if we're gonna go there because we might have a pullback before there. So watch out for the 9, then the 1070. Okay, PTBI will be a unicorn if we hold the $7.30 or $7.13. Yeah, this could be a possible unicorn because it look like unicorn. Like AHI looking like unicorn as well. BTAI. IDX hitting the profit taken. Luis, make sure to take profit. Okay, don't say that I didn't tell you to take profit. It means you are wonderful inside, brother. Sandre, if you don't have bad trip, it means you are good inside. Bad trip always happen for people who stress and things like this. IDX going. IDX is still going. Okay, let me just put it here. We might hit almost the 10 cent. But I don't trust it, man. After that, around the 11, yeah, we might have a huge resistance there. Huge. And this one is pulling back. I will watch. If we broke the 2, we might have a unicorn. If we broke the $1.85, we might have a short opportunity for the stock back there. So this is a critical area to hold for this stock. Aha, Lucid is pulling back big time. Lucid is pulling back. Yeah, the market is pulling back now. Okay, watch out. As we said, the $1.50 was a resistance here around this area, $1.50, $1.57. If we broke this ascending channel and we go toward the $1.34 and we don't have a reversal, this means the price will give up down. Watch out. So we still have this area to have a reversal from. This is really critical area for Nikola to hold a reversal and squeeze, otherwise a weakness. We need to continue to this pattern to have short cover up around the $1.50. Now the price is really critical situation. We need to have a reversal right now. Reversal right there. As we said before, really important level to hold. Lucid pulling back big time. Yeah, watch out, the market is pulling back. For some stocks, for Open is good, for AMC, yeah, it's good. For some stocks it's good, but for some not good. I think the market is pulling back for the stock that pumped when the market opened. So the pullback is happened for the market already, for the stock that already pumped. IDX looking good, PTAI looking still nice. We might have a continuation for the stock. As we said, the $7.13 should be our bottom if you want to trade this one. This one have a huge potential gain. At the same time, a huge potential loss, almost 10%, so watch out. If you're not willing to lose 10%, then don't gain 20% or 50%. This is simple lesson or simple rule for me if I want to trade those stocks. I say, okay, if you want to trade this stock, are you willing to lose this or not? If not, I just move on. Make it easier to decide. Make it really easier to decide what we should do. Because as everybody knows, in trading, the most important thing or the most important skill to have is decision making. Decision making in few seconds. You have to decide, enter, exit before the trade. Should we focus on this stock or that stock? Small decision can change everything, because if you focus on this stock, you can miss other stocks. So we have opportunity cost. We have many choices to choose which stock we should trade and how many money we should put, when we should exit, when we should enter, when we should add, when we should take our profit and never enter once again, or re-enter around a new level. Many decision, man. Many. That's why after any trade, I'm trying to make less decision in my real life, because I already use all my energy in stocks, and trading. Then my social life, and try to make less decision as possible. If I get out and want to eat, I will never choose try to choose something. I just take random bet, okay, I want this, I want that, because I want to preserve my energy for the most important things. Yeah, reversed around our level of profit taking. Nice hunt, brother. Nice hunt for IDAX for Luis. He have the heart of samurai. Exactly. Financial freedom, 9% today. Nice. Kaya. Great hunt for RIVN. Great hunt. Yes, sir. It was here on our swing trade actually. RIVN was one of the great swing trade that we did last month, 29th of June. Yeah, it was really great hunt. Around this breakout, we spotted this breakout, $16. We had almost the second profit taken around the 21. We went nearly that. Yeah, nearly there. Yeah, we went until the 1930. Boom, boom, boom. This is crazy. Then Tesla looking good. This one pulling back. XPEV maybe will be a good entry now because we're getting near this bottom. Yeah, the 1352. Really good support to enter. I might enter right now because we could lose just 2%. XPEV. Okay, I'm gonna enter for this one. XBEV, because we are really near a good support. We'll be willing to lose 2% on this trade. Yeah, the support is 1352. We'll see if we have a reversal right now. Let me just check how much. Okay, not bad. Okay, Neo. Nicola, we have a sign of weakness. Watch out. Nicola, we have a sign of weakness for today. Yeah, we have a really sign of weakness here. If we broke the $1.34, I might close my trade. This is it. I will just give it a small chance here. We don't have a reversal, not good. This is funny because those two stocks is different stocks, but both of them pumping at the same percentage, 8.30, 8.30. Is this coincidence? I don't know, man. Is this coincidence? Nope. I think it's AI buying both of them at the same time. This is crazy. Sunray, this is good one. I think I'm gonna use it. Remember, I'm mushrooms. This is not the financial advice. Okay, let me just check something. XPEV, Xbank. We'll see a reversal or not. Are we gonna have a reversal for Xbank or not? Nicola, the same. We have first signal of weakness. Huge seller around the $1.50. And now we got something to watch, which is the $1.34. And this one, we might have a huge kick down if we broke the 1352. Otherwise, we're gonna have a reversal. Okay, PA or PLM is about to break the 2.40. IDX and BTAI. IDX we already exited from this trade. We said the 9 cents should be profit, and that's why the price got rejected there. Yeah, around the 9. So this is our resistance now, and this is the other profit taken. And now we're watching BTAI for a squeeze. We already entered for BTAI around this level, the $7.85. We'll see if we're gonna have a squeeze for this one toward the $9.43. Nicola still holding the $1.34. This is the last bottom for today and this week. We need to hold this level. And this one, now we expect a reversal here. We expect some reversal, at least 3% reversal. This is the bottom. See with me, we got this one, PA or PLM is about to break the $2. If we broke the $2, we might have a squeeze. Okay, XPEV, we might have a kick here, 3%. Okay, BTBI looking good still. Nikola start to reverse. Yeah, huge seller add around the $1.50. Lucid, we have a reversal. XPEV, watch out, we have a reversal for many IV stocks. We have a huge drop for this one. We might have a kick at least around the 14.22. Would be a good reversal. Okay, we got two stocks might squeeze now. First is this one. We got the $2 break. Still have a struggle to break here. Is a big seller around the $2. We need to hold over the 2. Still, the seller still there. Lucid, nice bounce here. Are you kidding me? We have a resistance here around the 1392. I think we're gonna have a continuation down toward the 1352. Let me just check. Yeah, 230. Let me just check if we're gonna break now around the 1392, because this is a resistance for X ping. Interesting, really interesting here. PLM is around, wow, yeah, $2.40 if we really squeezed. This one looking good, still holding. We have 150, we might do another 20%. Still watching for XPEV to break here around the 1392 to confirm a reversal from this bottom and maybe go there around the 1430. Short still selling here. And here still selling as well. BTBI, BTAI looking good, way better. PLM not good, still you see. Short still shorting for this one. There's a strategy here. Oh man, what's going on here, man? When I took my eyes on this one, short start to short. Okay, not good. Not good. Okay, so XPEV, I think it's gonna go back down around the 1352 before a reversal. So we'll give it time. Lucid, it's good, reversed. BTAI looking better. Yeah, looking better. BLM, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna close this trade breaking even. BTAI, it's going down a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna close this one as well. Breaking even. This one is okay in green. This one I'm gonna close it breaking even as well. We didn't break the $2. This one, yeah, we're still up on this one. BTAI, I will keep it. IDX will already close it. As we said, take profit around the 9 because there's a resistance. You see what's happened here? We got rejected. Mara is testing the profit taken. Yeah, XPEF or V. It's going toward the 1352 before a reversal. That's why we exited from that trade. Nicola. Oh boy, we kind of have a reversal here. Yeah. Okay, we held over the $1.36. We said the $1.34 is the bottom. Okay, this is kind of good, but still, I don't like the reaction that we had here around the $1.50. This means the short's still there. What a huge short for IDX. Which one, brother? Sunray, which one? 54. CGC. Yeah, it looked dangerous. Mara just hit our profit taking to 15.15 that we discussed before. Now it's turning to resistant. So Mara, we might have an entry. If we have a pullback, would be good. Yeah, top is not good. We might have a continuation down there around the $7.66 if we want to have a reversal. AHI still have a struggle to break the $6.60, so we got confirmed short sellers around the $6.60. IDX already took profit, as we said, exit around the 9 cent, price got rejected. PLM, I will watch for the $2 break, not now. And PTAI, still waiting for a continuation. Nikola, as we said, $1.34 is our support for today. Let's watch PTAI. We can actually make a train stop for this one here around the $7.93 and there around the $7.56. We could make a train stop. What I mean, I will give you an example, because now we are in around the $7.85 for PTBI. $7.85. It's just below this support, so we could make a trend stop and broke even if we exited here. If the price went below the $7.90, we exit. This is one of the first profit taken or stop loss, or we can actually make our stop loss here and we lose a bit of money around $7.57 instead of $7.13, which is almost 10%. So here, yeah, we could lose just 4% instead of 10. And if we put our stop loss here, we could lose nothing. The choice is yours. Lose nothing and win 20%. Okay. Okay, XPEV. We might have a break from the 1392 finally. Yes, BTAI looking good. Now we are accumulating near the $8.15 break. Lucid 4% here. BTAI, we have a bit of flush here. Yeah, okay, BTAI, we're gonna exit with small profits just in case. Yeah, because we have a bit of weakness here. And I would see if we hold over this support for re-entry around the $7.57 and then continue to go higher. Still strong, for my opinion, but I don't like a break for this first support. That's why we broke, we took just 1% profit to protect our profit and never have a loss, and instead entering here. If we held here, would be good. We'll see. Let's watch. Lucid, we're already almost 5% on Lucid. Yes, maybe we have a resistance here for Lucid. Yeah, we'll exit as well for Lucid here with almost 4%. Yeah, not bad. I will exit here and focus on other trade. So we exited from Lucid with 4%, PTI with 1%. Okay, what else? Nikola, we're still in Nikola. Because we're still holding the $1.34 as we said. What else we have here? BTEI. I'll take this. PLM. Still watching this one for a break. What else we got? What else? Wow, Tesla kind of a shabby trade here. Shabby chart. Whoa, XPEV is about to break, watch out. Yeah, top is continuing to go down. Not wise to enter here. BTAI next level is support $7.57. We'll watch for the support. If we broke this, we're gonna have a continuation for the selling pressure toward the $7 bottom, $7.13. That's why we exited once we broke the first support, to protect our profit and never have a loss. $7.57. Vinny, you know what's mean in France? It's mean the stock name is like wine, you know? We called wine is vin, I think, or vin. Vin. Yeah, it's vin. Let me just show you what I mean. We go here and go French and put wine. Without an E. Vin, yeah, without an E. So, man, spelling and writing in French is really complicated. Okay, right is doing really crazy good. Not even joking. Right, 11%. UCR and traffic jam. What you mean, brother? Yeah, we saw something. UCAR. Yeah, I got shorted. Okay, Mara. We have the same reaction for right. But this one is running. How much we could lose if we entered? Okay, 4%. And Mara could really run here. If we really run, we might see 23. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous here because we're getting near this profit, 1557. It's getting dangerous. BTAI is holding nicely over the $7.57. We might have an entry here. How much we could lose here? We could lose 2% and gain 5 or more. Okay, not bad. Okay, we got someone asking about SOFI. Still there, yeah. SOFI testing a resistant. Yeah, around the $8.60, I think. But this is not strong resistant. Let me just check. Yeah, it's really crazy resistant here. We got the 9. This is the most important level to break. But this is the other level that we have to watch. SOFI, man. Yeah, we might have a good trade here. It's kind of testing. Yeah, it's kind of testing this level. Boom. We have mini test here. We're gonna have a pump or a dump for SOFI. Critical break. You have to update our levels. For SOFI, we might have a good trade, just 3%. It'd be great if we broke the $8.60 now to have a mini squeeze. Right is still pumping, Mara is still pumping as well. Okay, we don't have a continuation for the other stocks. The stock that we're watching in pre-market that we said they might have unicorn potential, but we didn't. They stopped. Mara still pumping. Luis, not tomorrow, after tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. The market's closed. Yeah, we still have an MDM here. %. So yeah, this one still looking good because we're still holding the $2.66. We got a breakout for $3.21 if we're gonna have a squeeze. Yeah, this one still looking good. As long as we hold the $2.66 is good. AMC as well, we kind of have a breakout here. We might have another pump for AMC, so I'm watching AMC closely. Ford, Lucid start to pump once again. BTAI still holding the last support, or the support that will confirm everything. And this one doesn't want to break the $2. Yeah, SoFi, I'm still looking for SoFi. Double top, and the price got rejected. Guys, press the like button and the way in. We have almost 78, getting near the 100 likes. Remember, we always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET. And tomorrow is the 4th of July, so it does mean a day off or a market close in the United States. So we're not gonna do a live streaming tomorrow. We have to celebrate with the United States because it's a special day. And yeah, we need 100 likes for the 4th of July. Come on, guys, we can do this. We're watching SoFi, Riot, Mara. Top, we said don't get in because we have this weakness, broke the $8.75. We entered for IDX, we said the rejection is 9 cents. PLM, we entered, we exited with breaking even because the price didn't break the $2. BTAI, we entered and we exited with 1% profit because we saw this break for this support around $7.94, and now this is a good entry because this is a support here for BTAI. You know what I'm gonna do? I could enter right now and risk just 3% for this trade, or 2%. I will just enter for this one again and see if we could make a swing trade. Okay, I'm gonna enter here. Support, as we said, $7.57. Resistance, now we might take profit early around this level, $7.93. So this one would be a quick trade, just 2% or 3%. And Nikola still holding our support, as we said, the $1.34. Lucid is reversing from the support, $7.11. Good reversal. XPEV want to break the 1392. Destiny, we entered and we exited very quick. You know why? Because price didn't break this level, so I exited breaking even on this trade. That's why the price went down. If you want to enter, just make sure this is our bottom. We should never go below it. I'm watching for a break from the 1392 to enter once again. If we broke this orange line, it would be a good entry. Otherwise, we're gonna have a continuation down toward this bottom. BTAI, watch out. I'm watching this support because if we broke it, it's not good. I'm gonna close my trade. If we held it, we're gonna have a reversal here. Today we made our live streaming a bit a bit longer because the market will close early today. So this is a special day for the 4th of July live streaming. We make our trading a bit longer. Okay, BTAI, Nicola. Okay, Lucid looking good. This one not. Okay, we have a bit weak market now because we have a huge pump, and when the market opened, now we have a bit of reversal. Yeah. Kind of a bit weak now. Except for Riot, man. Riot might be good now for another kick. Okay, Riot looking good. I will watch Riot for another kick toward 1422 because we accumulated here and the price kick once again. Let me just see if we're gonna have a huge kick here. Right, Mara is kicking once again. SoFi got rejected around the 18 or the $8.63. Let's watch Riot play. We might have a good action here if we held this level, little level around the 13.14. And yeah, let me just check if we gonna have a bit of profit here before a bit of resistance coming up. Yeah, the resistance will come around the 14.22, but I will make sure to have exit strategy around the 13.61. This is good, give us 2%. Okay, we'll watch this one. You are welcome, Sunray. You are welcome. Was really glad to have this live streaming. This community, it's kind of it's good to trade with someone, you know, because day trading can be lonely sometimes, and it's good to trade with other traders and other hunters and share our knowledge. And sometimes we get some kind of good alert from you guys. So yeah, it's kind of a win-win situation. Sometimes I miss some trades, sometimes you warn me, so it's good. Yeah, Kingston, yeah, it was a good morning, of course. Okay, guys, we have to finish our live streaming. We kind of make it a bit longer today, just half an hour. And we might do a video update later on for you guys. And tomorrow is day off, so happy 4th of July for everybody. And we're gonna do our live streaming as well. We continue to do our live streaming, of course. The next week, or no, not the next week, but on Wednesday around 3 p.m. CET. And again, if you want to join our Hunter channel, because we have just one level or one position or one place left for the Discipline Hunter. If you want to take your place on the 4th of July and join our Hunter channel, here the link, and you can join us and snap your level. Okay, let me just check right, and let's finish our live streaming very quick. Dolly, Kingston, see you, brother. See you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you, Roberto. Cheers, everybody.